Welcome back to the Crypto Bull channel with your host William. And today, guys, we are talking about education, learning. That's right, we're talking about Finelo. Finelo is the topic of the day, but before we get started, I am not a financial advisor. I do not claim to be, and I never will be. So if you're here for financial advice, get out of here. Go somewhere they do that stuff. But here, we talk about stuff that's trending, that's interesting, that's super awesome, stuff we think you should know about. And yeah, that's it. So down in the description, you're going to find everything you need to know about this video and this project. All the links, all the codes, all the good stuff down there. Speaking of good stuff, there's a subscribe button. Click it. It's free. Helps us out. Helps you out. Click that notification bell so you get notified of all the good stuff, because we drop stuff that's time sensitive sometimes. So getting notified is a pretty good deal. And if you like what you see, click that like button. Let's get started. All right. So talking about Finelo, like I said, and most people don't lose money because they're stupid. They lose money because they start investing before they understand what they're actually doing, guys. And that is pretty much everyone at one point or another. They buy a stock because someone said it was going to run. They chase crypto because a chart looks exciting. They copy trades without understanding the risk. And that's where these guys, Finelo, comes in. Quick transparency about these guys before I get into it. This video is sponsored by Finelo. So I'm an affiliate partner of Finelo with Crypto Bull, and this is my honest walkthrough of what the platform is built to do: help people learn investing and trading before risking real dollars or money, depending upon where you are located. So let's head on over to their learning stuff. Yeah, guys, because Finelo is an educational investment platform built for people who want to understand markets before they jump in. It's not trying to be a brokerage, and it's not telling you what to buy. It's built around learning stocks, crypto, trading strategies, risk management, portfolio thinking, and the basics that most people skip because they're in a super rush. Literally everybody's in a rush these days. But Finelo describes itself as a mobile-first learning platform for trading, investing, and finance education with bite-sized lessons, some daily practice, and AI support built into the experience. Super good. Yeah, speaking of the learning, let's talk about some structured learning. So, guys, the first thing I like is the structure, because the problem with learning finance online is not lack of information, it's too much information. You've got YouTube videos, random threads, paid Discords, TikToks, Reddits, posts, and half of it contradicts the other half of it, which kind of sucks. But Finelo puts the basics into guided pathways. Their site says they offer 300 plus bite-sized lessons in 10 languages, with average lessons around 3+ minutes, designed so you can build practical skills without feeling buried in the madness. That matters for beginners because you're not just wandering around trying to figure out what to learn next. You're following an actual path. And if you can see in their support center here in this article, the support page lays it out pretty clearly. Finelo teaches investing in a way that's easy to understand for everybody. It's pretty practical and it's super empowering. They cover trading basics like stocks and crypto, trading strategies, and risk management. That last one is pretty big, risk management, because honestly, learning how to make money is only half the game, and learning how not to blow yourself up is a part that most beginners never get taught at all. So let's talk about some daily practice, shall we? So second key feature is practice, and Finelo's daily practice section is totally built around putting lessons into action. Their homepage mentions a risk-free market simulator, trading challenges, XP, badges, some achievements, quizzes, and streaks, guys. This is smart because investing is not something you learn only by reading. You need reps. You need to make decisions, see consequences, adjust when they happen, and learn without putting your actual savings on the line. And guys, that's what makes this useful for somebody who's new and intimidated by the market. What else we got? We got some Finelo Support Center. What is the simulator, guys? Well, the simulator is where the learning becomes hands-on. And Finelo Support Center says the simulator lets users practice investing and trading with virtual money, including stocks and cryptocurrencies, but without the worry of losing that money or real money in general. So you can go through the portfolio section, choose some stocks or crypto, buy or sell inside the simulation, and watch how those decisions affect your virtual portfolio. And that's exactly what beginners need. Not theory forever, not reckless real money trades, a real training ground. Can you withdraw? Well, just to be clear, the simulator uses virtual money, not real money, like I said. And Finelo says the initial balance and any profits inside the simulator are not withdrawable because the goal is hands-on practice, not real financial gains. I actually like that clarity because this is education. It's not pretending that fake portfolio gains are actual real money. The point is to build confidence before the real world gets involved so you're prepared for it. Who is the mentor? The third major feature is the AI mentor. This is where Finelo feels more modern than just another course library, guys. The AI mentor is described as a virtual guide that's available 24/7, giving instant answers and personalized insights as users learn about the markets. Guys, if you want to deep dive these pages, because I'm going through them pretty quick, link in the description. Pause the video, hit it up, come on back, listen to me babble. Because you can ask about stock market basics, trading strategies, or concepts you don't understand, and it responds in a way that matches your learning pace. This is useful because finance has a language problem, guys, and it's definitely true. It's super confusing sometimes. People throw around terms like liquidity, risk exposure, market structure, diversification, drawdown, and beginners just nod along while secretly having no freaking idea what any of that stuff means. An AI mentor gives you a place to ask the dumb questions without feeling dumb. And moving right along, there's the AI chart analyzer. Let's see here. Finelo says this tool helps users understand financial charts by offering insights on market trends and price movements. You can upload a chart and the AI looks for trends, patterns, and key levels. Now, this is important, so listen up. This should be treated as an educational support, not a magic buy or sell button. Even Finelo's support page says the AI chart analyzer is for informational purposes and should be combined with your own research and your own risk management. And that's the right mindset to have, guys. So use AI to help you understand what you're looking at, not to outsource your brain. Because you never know, you know? All right. So on the app pages, Finelo is described as an all-in-one trading learning platform with AI-powered tools, some expert education, a lot of simulations, some quizzes, and real-world case studies. The App Store listing also describes it as a way to... Am I on the wrong page? I'm on the wrong page. Hey, you can get it on Google. There you go. Yeah. So the App Store listing also describes it as a way to practice trading risk-free, learning at your own pace, and grow financial confidence one lesson at a time. That's the real core mission here, guys. So make investing education more accessible, more practical, and way less intimidating. Now, let's head on back to that page that was just down. So, the About page here, this page, says the platform combines simulated practice, adaptive lessons, AI mentor guidance, and courses plus tools in one place. It also mentions leaderboards and a 28-day challenge to help users stay motivated. The gamified layer matters because learning finance can be boring if it's just walls of blah, 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 like that over there. So leaderboards, challenges, stakes, and daily goals turn learning into something more active and fun, almost like training for a skill instead of studying for a test. And honestly, that's how investing should be treated, right? Am I right or am I right? Not as a lottery ticket, but as a skill. That's the way I like it. So, what is my final scorecard for these guys? Well, here's how I personally score what Finelo is trying to do. Number 1, education, super strong, because it gives beginners structured lessons instead of sending them into the chaos of the internet. Number 2, practice, also strong, because the simulator lets users make decisions without risking real money. Number 3, AI support, useful because the AI mentor and chart tools help explain concepts, charts, and strategies in plain languages. And 4, engagement, super strong as well because challenges, quizzes, badges, and leaderboards help people stay consistent. And finally, number 5, mission fit, super, super, super strong because the whole platform is designed around a simple idea: learn first, practice first, invest later. So who the heck is Finelo for, guys? If you're already a professional trader, this probably isn't trying to replace your Bloomberg terminal. But if you're a beginner or someone who's been curious about stocks, crypto, and trading but never had a clean way to learn, this makes a heck of a lot of sense. It gives you lessons, it gives you tools, it gives you a simulator, it gives you AI guidance, and guys, it also gives you a safe place to build confidence before real money gets involved. And that's the big advantage. Again, full transparency, guys, this video is sponsored by Finelo, and if you want to check it out, link in the description. Use it as a learning platform. Use the simulator before risking your moolah. Ask the AI mentor questions when something doesn't make sense, and treat investing like a skill you built over time. Guys, my name is William. This is the Crypto Bull Channel. Stay amazing out there. Stay classy. Peace.